In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $500 on CPAgrip using URL file locker. And I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to create a news website about top 10 lists. And I'm going to show you how you can use this niche to make passive income with CPA marketing. To go over to ChatGPT and you want to create an account. And once you create your account, you want to simply type in, give me 100 ideas for top 10 list. Once you do this, ChatGPT is going to provide 100 ideas that we are going to be using to make money. All right, as you can see, we have top movies of all time, top 10 destinations for adventure travelers, top 10 fashion trends of the year. So now I'm going to take this one as an example, which says top 10 most influential people in history. So once you've chosen one of the list, the next thing is to create a website. You can see this website I created for free on blogger.com. So now if we take this first post here as an example, top 10 most influential music artists of all time. So if I click on this post, as you can see right here, this looks like a legit website listing top 10 most influential artists of all time. All right, you can see if I scroll down right here, all right, so this is supposed to be a 10 list. As you can see, this list stops at number 7. And now once people click on this continue reading, as you can see, a content locker is going to pop up saying human verification, complete one offer below to continue reading top 10 most influential people of all time. And all they simply need to do is to complete one of these CPA offers. And once they complete the offer, it's going to redirect them to see the rest of the list. I hope this makes sense. So now you want to go over to CPAgrip.com to create an account by clicking on the register now button. All you simply need to do is to enter your basic information and click on register now, and your account will be created right away. So once you create your account, you want to then come over to where it says URL file lockers. And all you need to do from here is to click on create new locker. You want to agree to terms of service and you want to click on continue. So once you do this, then you want to come over to the template section and you can choose any template of your choice by finding this template to convert a lot better. So before you continue, you want to go back to ChatGPT. Like I said, we are going to be taking any of these top 10 list ideas as an example. So you want to copy this, then you want to go to Google. All you simply need to do is to paste in the list on Google. And once you do that, you're going to see a lot of websites that have already listed the top 10 influential people in the world. All you simply need to do from here is to copy this and paste it on your Blogger website. So then you want to create a Blogger website. And to create a Blogger website, all you need to do is to come over to blogger.com. So once you come over to blogger.com, you want to click on create your blog. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to give your blog a name. So once you give your blog a name, all you just need to do is to click on next, and you want to give your blog an address. So I'm going to give mine listscopenews.blogspot.com and you are going to click on save. So once you do that, your blog is going to be created and you want to come over to where it says theme. And if you come over here, you want to click on this job arrow button and you want to click on restore. Then you want to click on upload. So once you do this, I'm going to leave a folder in the description. You want to download that folder. So once you download the folder, all you need to do is to open the folder and you want to click on this free.xml and you want to click on open. So once you do this, it's going to say restoring theme. It's going to say restored theme. All right. Now you want to then open your website in a new tab to see what it looks like. You can see the website is empty. There is nothing on our website. So what you want to then do is to go back to your Blogger account and you want to click on where it says new post. So once you do that, then you want to go back to the website with the top 10 list and you want to basically copy this post. All right. So you want to copy it to something like number 5. So once you copy this, then you want to go back to your Blogger, then you want to paste in the post like this. So once you paste this, you want to then copy the title and you want to paste it right here. So now once you do this, just scroll to the bottom of the post, all right, and you want to then type in something like continue reading. All right, so you want to then highlight this. You want to then come over to where it says font size. So you want to then change it to something like large, all right, so that it's more visible to viewers. All right, so then once you do this, you want to then go ahead to continue creating your content locker. So once you come back to your content locker, you want to then go over to where it says general. And then this is where you want to change this to something like complete one offer below to continue reading top 15 most influential people of all time. All right. And now the next thing you want to then do is to then toggle this button right here to auto show offers. Okay. So now then you want to go back to the website and you want to copy the URL to this website. So once you copy the URL to the website, you want to paste the link right here. So once people complete the offer, they will be redirected to this website to see the whole list. Okay, I hope this makes sense. And if you want to increase your earnings, all you simply need to do is to come over to advanced section and you want to change this to number of leads required to 2 or 3. This is up to you. And then you want to also make sure to change the number right here. So once you're done, all you simply need to do is to click on save. And once you save, you want to then come over to where it says get link and you want to copy the link to your locker. So once you copy the link to your locker, all you simply need to do is to highlight this continue reading and you want to then come over to where it says insert URL and you want to paste in your content locker link right here. And also make sure to check this box that says open this link in a new window. All right, so this helps a lot with conversion rates. And now you want to then click on apply. So once you do that, everything is good. You want to then simply click on publish and you want to click on confirm. So now if we go back to our website, if I refresh the page, now you can see we have our first post. So now you want to repeat the same process by simply coming over to ChatGPT and you can add in as many of these top 10 lists to your website as possible. And also keep in mind, once you start adding a lot of posts and start getting a lot of traffic, you can potentially make even more money with Google AdSense, as you can see right here. All right, you want to then come over to Facebook and you want to create new Facebook accounts and you want to join 5 to 10 groups per Facebook account. And now keep in mind, you want to only join groups that are interested in your top 10 list. All right. An example of that is history. Okay. And you can also join groups that are interested in entertainment, in trending news. You want to join those sort of group as these are the people likely to want to read that news. So if you come over to any of these groups, what you want to do is very, very simple. Okay, so you want to give value in this group. You want to then come over to where it says write something. You want to then type in questions like this. These are some examples you can use right here. You can see you won't believe who made it to the top 10 list of most influential people in history. All right, this is also another example right here. Do you agree with this list of top 10 famous people? And this is also another one you can use. Who compiled this list of top influential people? This is only to make people want to check out the website. All right. So once you do so, I'm going to take the first one as an example. All you then need to do is to copy the link to this post like this. So once you copy the link, you want to then simply paste in the link right here. And once you do that, all you just simply need to do is to click on post to post this to this group. And most moderators are going to approve your post as this is not a direct or an outright promotional page. All right. So once people come over to this page, they will be taken to your content locker and you'll be making money in passive income.